আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিবডি ওয়েলকাম টু লার্ন ইংলিশ উইথ ফারুক। আমি ফারুক হোসেন আছি আপনাদের সাথে। আজকে আমার এক খুব প্রিয় ছাত্রকে আমি আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়েছি। তার সাথে আজকে আমি কিছু ইংরেজি প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞেস করব। সে চেষ্টা করবে সেই প্রশ্নগুলোর জবাব দেওয়ার জন্য। হোয়াটস ইউর নেম?
My name is Sajia.
হোয়াট ইজ ইউর ফাদার্স নেম?
My father's name is Ziaul Haq.
হোয়াট ইজ ইউর মাদার্স নেম?
My mother's name is Shahan Akhtar.
হাউ ওল্ড আর ইউ?
I'm 13 years old.
হোয়ার ডু ইউ লিভ?
I live in Sherpur.
হোয়ার ইজ ইউর মাদ্রাসা?
My madrasa is at Nonni.
হোয়াট ইজ দ্য নেম অফ ইউর মাদ্রাসা?
The name of our madrasa is Nonni Islami Alim Madrasa.
হু ইজ ইউর প্রিন্সিপাল?
Muhammad Mukhlasur Rahman Talukdar is our principal.
হোয়াট ক্লাস ডু ইউ রিড ইন?
I read in class 9.
হু ইজ ইউর ক্লাস টিচার?
Muhammad Faruk Hussain sir is our class teacher.
হাউ ডু ইউ কাম টু মাদ্রাসা?
I come to madrasa by rickshaw.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 4 brothers.
How many sisters do you have?
I have no sister.
What's your father?
My father is a businessman.
What's your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
How many days are there in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Which is the first day of the week?
Saturday is the first day of the week.
Do you obey your parents?
Yes.
Which is the last day of the week?
Friday is the last day of the week.
What time do you reach at madrasa?
I reach at madrasa at 9 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Who is your best friend?
Tawhid is my best friend.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up in the morning at 6 o'clock.
Do you take bath regularly?
Yes.
Do you brush your teeth daily?
Yes.
Which is the first month of the year?
January is the first month of the year.
When do we celebrate our Independence Day?
26 March we celebrate our Independence Day.
What will you say if you make mistake?
I'm really sorry.
Which color do you like most?
I like white color.
Which flower do you like most?
I like rose.
When is your birthday?
13 October 2008 is my birthday.
Do you like gardening?
No.
Do you like to play?
Yes.
Do you love flower?
Yes.
Who is your prime minister?
Sheikh Hasina is our prime minister.
What is your aim in life?
The aim of my life is to be an engineer.
Why do you like this profession?
I like this profession because of this profession is a noble profession.
Thank you very much for your nice presentation. Okay, viewers, if you want to learn spoken English, you have to study regularly, you have to practice regularly. Thank you for watching my video.